goes all for him. Oh shit! What? Row closer to the oar. We'll get your oar for you, Matt.
Oh, you can let the oar before.
Yeah, but it was like away from you.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Oh, there you go.
Is there water in it, Matt? Do we have to do the great...
Now we need to go back.
Like we did, right? Oh.
Yeah. To go that way.
Hugh, can you stop filming video?
Sorry.
Are you going to be right to get back in?
Yeah, I just need to get back in my boat. Hold on.
How did that happen?
I don't know, Matt, how did that happen? I really don't know.
Is it full of water?
It's full of water, man.
Do you want us to...
Come on outside, that might be easier.
Hold on.
Oh, it's full of water, darling.
Yeah, it'll empty water if it sits like that.
Yeah?
In the water.
Hugh? Yeah. Actually, hold on.
Remember when Ben fell in...
Grab this side.
started getting water in
Use
your
your muscles.
rowboat?
Yeah.
And lift that up. No, ready?
Okay, light up. Not me. Can't go anywhere.
You right? Ready?
Come on, Matthew.
Hold on.
Aaron, do you want to help?
Take the camera. What we do?
Yeah, you and I should do something.
Shit.